everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do something for Valentines. I'm going to use this frame that my daughter and I found in the dumpster. I hope you know already we are dumpster divers. Our channel is Dumpster Chicks and it's going to be linked in the description box. The first thing I'm going to do is to add a piece of foam to the back of the frame. This is something we also found in the dumpster, and the piece was not long enough, so I have to use two pieces, and I adhere them with this tape. And I'm going to add this heart from Dollar Tree to the front of the frame, and it's going to cover most of the union of the two pieces. But I separated this banner because I'm going to use this side of the heart. I already painted it white, as you can see. I spray painted it with Rust-Oleum, flat white, and I'm going to use this heart. I'm going to place it here. I'm going to place this sign at the bottom, and what I'm going to make is a countdown calendar to Valentine's, because I love countdown calendars. I'm going to adhere the foam to the frame of camera, as well as the heart and the sign, because honestly it's something you can do and you don't need instructions for that. And then I will be back. I will also, what I'm also going to do is to transfer the steel here, about here, at the bottom of the heart. And then I'll be back, because you also know how to do this. I copy this. Believe it or not, I placed this vellum paper on the computer, on the screen, and I just traced the letters, not to print anything. I already went on them, all around them with a pencil in the back, so I can transfer them easily to the heart. Once I'm done with that, I'll be back and I'll finish the sign on camera. So I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm back, and I already adhered these items to the background and the background to the frame. So to finish this, I'm going to add on top this kind of bow, because it's not exactly a bow, it's just pieces of ribbon that I had all around and that I tied with a piece of floral wire. I just cut the extremes in the duck tail shape, and I'm going to adhere this on top of the heart. Like so. Let's see. This has to go there. This is really easy. It's easier than making a bow. And I like it. I think it's more unique, more original than a bow. And what I'm going to add to cover this? Roses. But I like the contrast between the dark red and the white, and these roses have a little bit of pink. And let me tell you, my daughter and I found these roses in the dumpster at Michael's, and we found over $3,000 of flowers in the dumpsters. Next Monday, this past Monday, the video of that type, the haul, went live in our channel. So if you go now to Dumpster Chicks, you will see the amount of flowers and some other items, really nice items for Christmas that we found there. Over $3,000 in flowers that they disposed of, and we never understand why they do that, honestly. But well, it is what it is, and we are there to save them from the landfill. And we kept some of them, of course, because there were tons of them, and we donated boxes and boxes and bags of flowers to Goodwill. And we are really happy to thinking that people who would not be able to afford Michael's prices will be able to get nice flowers. They were in red, there were peonies, there were poinsettias, you name it. It was unbelievable, absolutely unbelievable. Let me cut this a little bit, and I'm going to add this flower on the other side, like here. And I have these two little buds that I'm going to add on top of the other flowers. One here, and the other one on the other side. And I think this is done. Let's press a little bit to make sure they are fixed and adhere. And that's it. And now we need something where to write how many days are there till Valentine's. So this is something that we also found in the dumpster. I think it was Joanne's. It had a hook here to hang it. I removed it, and I wrote 25 days till Valentine's, and I already made a mark where I want to place it. I think I'm going to use a little bit E6000 because sometimes hot glue on metal doesn't work. So I'm going to use some E6000, hope you can see it. And a little bit also of hot glue to accelerate the process. And there's a mark there. So that's where the chalkboard goes with the numbers. Well, here you have the calendar finished. Hope you like it. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks to the hostesses for hosting this challenge. Please visit their channels, and also please watch the videos in the playlist link below. Hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.